The Changan Qiyuan A06, a new family sedan with a beautiful and comfortable interior and a key vehicle for Tianshu Intelligent, made its world premiere at the Changan Technology Ecosystem Conference. Redesigned in 3 key areas: spatial design, energy and power, and digital intelligence, the A06 offers a superior travel experience for everyday family users. Spaciousness, comfort, intelligence, and safety. The groundbreaking A06 takes a leap forward with its superior features that meet the comprehensive needs of everyday family users and ensure that everyday family users never compromise on their travels. The spatial design has been restructured, and space utilization has been increased by more than 10% through efficient integration, material, and structural innovations. Reshaping energy and power. By utilizing new materials like silicon carbide and new technologies like layered electrodes, charging time is reduced by 65% compared to 1.6C charging and 40% compared to 3C charging. Energy consumption is also reduced by 15.7%. The highly integrated silicon carbide electric drive system reduces its size by 18% compared to the previous year. The digital intelligence experience has been reimagined, replacing pure hardware stacking with software-driven hardware. The Changan Qiyuan A06 is a truly software-defined car, equipped with the innovative Tianshu AI smart cockpit. The vehicle control chip provides a 140% increase in processing power, while the synergy of software and hardware enables millisecond-level safety responses. 3 major redesigns represent a breakthrough in Changan Qiyuan technology. These 3 major redesigns provide users with 4 superior features in the areas of comfort, intelligence, and safety, making it the ideal solution for family travel satisfaction. The superior interior space creates a mobile living cabin, tailored for families. It stands out among 4th-generation mobile homes by achieving an astonishing 90% room. While the overall layout may appear simple, the interior is exceptionally spacious. With a total volume of 2,168 liters, it can accommodate 42 20-inch suitcases. The front and rear trunks, with a combined capacity of 764 liters, are the largest in its class, while the front trunk, with a volume of 108 liters, is also the largest in its class. In terms of passenger space, the passenger compartment is 2,630 mm long, 90 mm longer than the Maybach. The rear roof height and aisle width are also larger, allowing for easy child accommodation. In addition to its spaciousness, the vehicle also pays meticulous attention to storage, with 38 cleverly designed storage spaces throughout the vehicle, including hidden hooks in the B-pillars, dedicated umbrella holders, and eyeglass cases. This creates a wealth of creativity and surprises. Super comfortable, offering comfort for all sizes, and leaving no blind spots, the whole family will enjoy sitting in this seat. Equipped with the most powerful all-season zero-pressure electric massage seats in its class and the industry's first 28-point Maldives seat mode, it offers both super recline and super comfort, with massage, ventilation, heating, and other features. It is the first model to introduce the industry's largest super My 145 degrees stepless electric zero-pressure rear seats. These seats provide 11.5 degrees more recline than the Maybach and 10 degrees more recline than the Xiaomi YU7. They create the most natural and comfortable golden angle for the body by minimizing pressure on the spine and musculature. Combined with the largest C-pillar triangular window and large sunroof, users can enjoy a wider field of vision while reclining, and the transparency is not overwhelming. It offers state-owned enterprise technology solutions leveraging the strong foundation of the SDA architecture. Its 800V silicon carbide high-voltage platform and 6C fast charging are a generation ahead of its competitors, providing users with a charging experience as fast as 1 second per kilometer. Its low-energy body design, pioneering triple electric configuration, and intelligent energy management technologies also contribute to lower energy consumption. It has a pure electric range of 630 kilometers and consumes only 11.3 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers. This translates to 10 kilometers per kilowatt-hour, enabling daily commuting with just 1 charge per week at a cost of 0.4 cents per kilometer.